Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to convert text into lower, upper, or proper case using Power BI Query Editor. So for this, we'll go on the Power BI, click on Excel Workbook. The name of my dataset is Split Open. Click on Sheet 1. Whenever I want to activate the Power BI Query Editor, don't press on Load, press on Transform the data. Now you can see here that the city, state, and the country is in one column. I want to split it. So what I'll do, I'll click here, split column by delimiter. Click OK. It's done. Now I want to convert this city into the lowercase. How can I do it? Click on it. So there are two ways in which you can do. Right click and transform to the lowercase. Done. This is one method. The another method is click here, press transform, format, uppercase. Now I want to convert this into format, capitalize each word. Click on it. Again click here, format. Now I want to add prefix or suffix to any word. So let's go in the last column and we want to add crores here. So click here and format, add suffix. Now listen carefully. I want to add the word crores. So first enter space, then crores. Click OK. As you had given a space, so now it appears 343 crores. Now I want to add prefix to this. So click here. Again go in format, add prefix. My profit in this year is, give one space, click OK. So you can see here that now each row is having the words my profit in this year is. Power BI Query Editor does not have any undo option. Now if you want to do undo, go in the applied steps, click on this cross, click on this cross. You can see the changes which we have done will be removed. So this is how you can convert the text into lower, upper, and proper case by using Power BI Query Editor. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share my videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter, link given in the description box.